7 crazy hybrid animals you won't believe actually exist. 1. Liger lion plus tiger. As the name suggests, Liger is a mixed breed of lion and tiger. It is in reality a cross between a male lion, Panthera leo, and a female tigress, Panthera tigris. So technically, it has parents with same genes but different species. It is incredibly large and very dangerous. Absolutely crazy. 2. Growler bear polar bear plus grizzly bear. Bears are undoubtedly one of the cutest animals out there. But do not underestimate their power. They are equally dangerous as well. There's this hybrid species of bear called growler bear. The existence of this species in nature was first confirmed back in 2006. They were first shot near the Canadian Arctic. 3. Wolf and bottlenose dolphin plus false killer whale. This is an extremely rare hybrid born from the mating of female bottlenose dolphin and male false killer whale. Although the parents are of course whale and dolphin, but both of them belong to the oceanic dolphin family. Consider yourself extremely lucky if you ever get to see one wolfin. 4. Beefalo domestic cattle plus American bison. Yes, there exists a hybrid species made from a domestic cattle and American bison. The main reason this hybrid was created to boost the beef production in USA. This is something you also get to notice in the name given to this species. 5. Chamomile camel plus female llama. We bet you must have never heard about this amazing hybrid of camel and llama. The first ever camel was born on 14th. 1998. The idea was to create an animal that'll have a camel's size but a llama's calm temperament. We yet don't know why was this so important for mankind, but well, what's done is done. 6. Jaw yak plus domestic cattle. Now jaw is the first mixed breed in the list that does not reveal its real parents by its name. When yak and domestic cattle mate, we get jaw. The word jaw traditionally means a male hybrid. A female hybrid is called Zoma or Zom. 7. Wolf dog wolf plus dog. The name makes it as simple as it can get. Wolf dog is a product of wolf and dog. This term is actually preferred by most of the animal's proponents because in reality, a domestic dog was recently categorized as a subspecies of wolf. Now that is something you had no idea about. 8. Jaglion, male jaguar plus female lion. This one is an extremely rare combination. When a male jaguar and female lion mate, we get jaglions. These photos are of Jazara and Tsunami, born at Ontario, Canada's Bear Creek Wildlife Sanctuary.